Find the integral of into bracket 5x minus 6 all to the power 5 dx. Please like my videos, follow me, and comment as to both the mathematics community. Now to do this, we take u to be equal to 5x minus 6. Now the u gives 5 dx, because if we differentiate 5x with respect to s, you get 5. If we differentiate negative 6, you get 0. You have du divided by 5 equals dx. Now this becomes the integral u to the power 5 times du divided by 5, which gives 1 out of 5 times the integral u to the power 5 du. If we integrate u to the power 5, we are going to get u to the power 6 divided by 6 plus the constant c. This gives 1 divided by 5. Here 5 times 6 is 30, so we have 1 divided by 30, and u equals 5x minus 6. So we write 5x minus 6 all to the power 6 plus c. Please like my videos,